Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Yelp for business. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yelp for Business is a platform designed to help business owners manage their presence on Yelp, connect with customers and attract new businesses. So what you need to do is set up and claim your business profile. Go and open up your web browser and then on the search bar type in business.yelp.com. Then what you need to do is just simply create an account. And once you have created an account, search for your business. If it's listed, claim it by following the verification process. If it's not listed, click add your business to create a new profile. Then verify your ownership, as Yelp may require a phone, email or document verification to confirm your own business. Number second is to optimize your business profile. Add accurate information like business name, address, phone number, website and hours of operation. Upload photos, add high quality images of your storefront products or services to attract customers. Write a compelling description and list services and products. Number third is to manage customer reviews. Respond to review and encourage reviews, like ask satisfied customers to leave a review but avoid offering incentives as it violates Yelp's policies. Flag inappropriate reviews. Use Yelp's tools to report reviews that violate their guidelines, examples spam or offensive content. Use Yelp tools and features like messaging, call to action, Yelp ads and analytic dashboard. You can also engage with the community by posting updates, photos and videos, and you can participate in Yelp's deals and gift certificates. So that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.